Chitariki ni sato mutinyo kabiro mwaka w'ijurubere n'emeronkebere nebere emesa ne yamangana maya ditukuri aramisi ngo kwarigania inde tunyara nyaringo kumanyari atekire chinse chonsi ose chingongo nya chinse kurumo chagosongo iriani amo nabosongo igo kabamo na inchigo ikomalyo inde kumanyi ayu amo na mangenyana nabakwenda gutobwate asensemeli yemitandao tonyora asensema ya Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News oigo asensema ya YouTube na tonyora Ndizi TV News nande na tweet @Ndizi TV News nekerengere kyao igotukiariganitie kira rituko kira ensa wetera ase namba eyira seskini yao igorabu igo kaba mwananchi wikomalyo na botambe rederiane Brighton Makoli. Asa mangana itu niko tugejaga kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira sebono muroberio wo chanjo gose gobetwe sindani ya COVID-19 oyo ochaka se kaunti ya Nyamira sinjira ya bene asoikaranwa nabo bisaba bochenwa se kaunti yo aseboigo umukonyi bumugabana bwe kaunti ya Nyamira James Kisami anyaraga wikarana senseme yo na kubabori bamenyi be kaunti ya Nyamira we sokya na konyore chanjo ya COVID-19 erigotanga okuranda kwebinyi bya COVID-19 boigo James Kisami yanyaraka watabuna ama tukayatekarete bara service buna ere no mugabana nigo bagochikogendera gukora magendero ase county ya Nyamira.
I don't want to overemphasize that. So I have one or two messages. We are facing an election in August, and I think we have overemphasized that those of you who have not registered, please do so. Because the deadline is 6th of this month, next week, that is on Monday. So please, those who have attained the age of 18 and those who have got ID cards, please do register before the time goes. I and Governor Nyaribo, we are completely determined to work for the welfare of this county. I did indicate 2 days ago that we have made a diagnosis of what ails Nyamira. And we are impacting on correcting some issues so that you can get services to the people, health services, maji, barabara. We are making sure that we put this county in the right
COVID-19 uburwayi wabonyene nasigaba mintayo ntegerere jesiko twakwari ganike yima biyamono bari mwansira basambi yamono twabararire biyamono singe jyo ko iratweyo hasigaba minto ayerera
footing, and that the only people who are working for us are the rightfully qualified people, and they are at the right, and we shall continue giving promotion to our.
So the booster dose we are giving you 6 months after you go to your primary. After you got your primary doses, we take about 6 months and give you a booster dose.
Asichinga gejejo moroberio yo buna moroberio ino genda se county ya Kisii asumuri kito agenda te kutubwatirira ngane karuchiko chikoraga chinsa ensa ya mabana maroba no chikanyora mangana ayo asenjere bukiranu ase county Nyamira muri kito chob mangi agenda te kutubwatirira ngane yo buna elonchi go soko igoro bene kwa mangana yo chanja COVID-19 achakiwa na ase county ya Kisii moroberio buna oyo no genderete ase county ya Kisii asumuri kito Steven Ndemo era agenda te kutubwatirira oroboti oru aguchikororeta asenjere bukiranu gekoraga ensemo ya bono maroba karuto gusuka bosyo nigo bona basa koru asensemo ya Nyanza nensemo ya Western nigo bono banyarire bakomerana na gusegeta abantu wesokya eri kwerike buna bakikura asama tukaya tigarete kara IPC anyarite gekururi baga ucyasaba Kenya kwerike buna bakikura sentundende ya kabiri abasa abo bamanya kante buna sons of papa nigo bono basegetira abantu wesokya na kwerike buna bakikura erinda bakikonyora baga yo gwakekura na bachora barai bari baranyara bakoreta monjorire imeyensi yetu ya Kenya
igotura togotebeki maene nga around yeye no mugako ito baba ne rora turuserie emechando ne mekorogoto eichire bosyo egento gieke maene tutagoteba nkeringa mugaka baba nere omanyeta abana baye nga kibakoba abantu abande bonse pigo bagocha amo in the name of yokoragera n'echinda chiabo na kumanya ng'aki bagotumia abasae ntubono buna abasae raundi ntori goikaransa toganye toche kubangwa igo tora tokwebanga togotebanga intwe na bana ba baba naende mbaba
Azimio! Azimio! Thank you so much. Tuko tayari Nyanza, tuko tayari Western, tuko tayari Kenya. As sons of Baba, tumejitolea. Raila Odinga is our 5th president. Thank you.
Ekera basaba bagenderete gusegeta abantu babwate chikura yani gagocha maega yumunyakiro bubwe kyombe ketene tobocho ne chimbebe wa Frajib Kadi oteabuna umubaro mokeni gonyari go kwenekiwa abantu bari bagwesoki nigo barabakemono kweri kibina bakchikura asabo gatete buna basaye na batare sokya kweri kibina chikura kurinda gasegeta abantu asamatuka yatigeta make wesokya na kweri kibina baki chikura.
Commission side, we given everybody a chance to register. So if there are other factors, then there are for all of us to reflect on as a commission, as Kenyans. You can also tell us why there could be apathy. Why are the youth not turning up? It's a question for all of us to do our survey and find out why. It's a fairly low percent, and again we are appealing to the youth who have identity cards. Please turn out. There are how many days left? 4? 5 days left. Ensure that during this ECVR exercise, you take the opportunity to register so that you can be able to elect leaders of your choice. We shall not hesitate to deal with any cases where there's breach of the code of conduct by any aspirants and candidates. And we are working also closely with the DPP to ensure that the Election Offences Act is complied.
Director weskuru ya Kremoni nigo bona aswere irweneri mocho riokomotigira omworokiwa oyo mochinkoma maega yogotebekana no mwana oinigaliete chichapati egento kirete omworokio yukomoita na kumotigira chinkoma chintindi ase county ya Mombasa nigo bona omworokio yusomo director weskuru iyo anyarire kako swerwa neri mochirio riokomotigira omwana chinkoma ase gotebekana no mwana oyo nigaliete chichapati.
Inashtakiwa kwa kosa la kusababisha majeraha ya kudumu kinyume na sheria kwamba tarehe 23 mwezi wa kwanza mwaka huu nakubali unakataa shtaka.
Umabunge omatira ligatiga shakwa nigo bona momochiri omowasiri boborendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase atebiruna omowasiri oiniga rugo chika gocha sabanyanyimbo maminja yerichiko gashakwa nigo bona atebiri omuraibwe omowasiri oimna tabwati nguru chinda chonsi chokurichiko gorugo chika gocha sabanyanyimbo ase bona aboriri buna nerebuya abanyanyimbo banyare bakobe kuborendi boisaini anne karato enda kwerigania gocha sobochore bonne bo mwakoyo.
I have seen huyu Fred Matiang'i jana purporting to give directions to the police on where to take action on criminals and where to ignore. One, he has no such capacity. The police force, the police service is independent, and in matters of operations, it is the work of the Inspector General of Police. And we are asking the police to ignore such directive because they are illegal. Kama huyu Matiang'i alikuwa ni mtu ya kusaidia Kenya, si angetatua shida ya usalama iko Laikipia? Watu wameumia Laikipia, anafanya siasa huko Kisii. Huyu Kebicho anafanya siasa huko Kirinyaga. Where were they when bandits were terrorizing the people of Laikipia? Walikuwa wapi? I saw him crying that we are calling out county commissioners who are doing politics, that they cannot defend themselves. I want to tell Fred Matiang'i, we shall continue exposing all county commissioners who are involved in ethnic incitement. And if you don't want them to be exposed, you tell them to stop.
Abagwatani bobo mo bwa Kenya Kwanza nigo bagende ni campaign cyabase bano bagoteba gusipande tegwakere koko nagotabona na ubo kabara chikoreta munjuri sense yeito ya Kenya nyuruna obomo obo nigo bokoroswa no murai wiki amakia ni simsani mdabadi amo no murai wiki amakia Ford Kenya Moses gutangura amo no murai wiki amakia uda boigo yoro mukonyi bu murai wense Dr. William Ruto gokwana abu ritukuri gore koroba korete taro yabo cyachinse mo cyana ivasha nigo bara yabo anene batete buna na ubo kabara nyara koreta munjuri asense yeito ya Kenya kero murai bwen mukonyi bo murai bwense Dr. William Ruto hatarenga setare yo korengana nigo karasi chinsko asetaro ya bene.
Wanaumia, hatuna pesa, tuna madeni, tunataka tukukue uchumi ili maisha ya yule mdogo iinuke.
Tumeona pesa, serikali imeweka pesa kwa Kenya Airways. Kenya Airways is a private entity. Na tunaambia serikali ya kwamba hiyo pesa itolewe kwa Kenya Airways, ingie isaidie mwananchi wa kawaida.
Tunataka kushikana na wale wengine wenye wako na agenda na vision kama yetu ya hasla. Hapo ni sawa? Ili sasa tukiingia pale kwa kura zenyu na maombi tuweze kuanza kuwainua wale wako chini tukienda.
Kenya Kwanza inataka kuleta umoja na upendo kwa wananchi wa Kenya.
Umajumuriya ayuna ona kwenda se chinse jiga korendeke koraga chinsa 10 chunyana na finisendo nyanja erinde akomanya mange alitwenda tugosangereri imena isiko yagusi kunene ngokobori nagendera kubwate tariki amo na intwe kenene ekaroli tukuririe ichuma chitariki 11 mutinyo yoiga chipara chonzi uchikwenda sensemeri ya Camelback askerobona ketaseni Ndizi TV amo ne mobokani Camelback bachiramo ase litukerio bahukotwara obwari bomagusi asuranyole chindagera chekegusi onyore chindagera chekegusio bokoma bobori omotere mangana amange musikino karorora basanini go bakarorora bachuko kotenge gokwa obosemia igo bwate tariki litukerio nande na chide tiketi asenjera ya bwango ende na nyaro konyore kirogo kyao igo nyorana chitariki 11 mutinyo yoiga mwaka wa 2022 igo tugochikwenda sensemo ya Camelback ekeriketa seni Ndizi TV amo nebo umobogani o Camelback bakiramo asobwari omogusi obwate tariki nyorana nabakwenda gutubwate sensemeri yemitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News sensemeri ya YouTube nabagotonyora Ndizi TV News boigo nabagoto tweet @Ndizi TV News nekerengeri kyao unabotambe kirenza nigo tokiariganeti gwetera se namba eyira se skin ya igora nande nabagoto tayara jobs chito ijigotoka sensemo ya embassy parenen ya Kisinyamataro ose Kisinyakoe asama gacho New Brighton apartment bana botambe gentekia negia negentegiansu negiansu nane nigo kenyora ime ya Ndizi TV nero wansu bomagusi iretariane Brighton Makoli.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakonikiru ndekerene nagokorentera chibiche chinkia naboigo chinkeno nukukigima nabogotonyora asorogonko bwogusi neji kaunti chito etanaine buna kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechisemo chinde chinyinge nigo gotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onjore irio yao igo ikoye nyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV obwensu uomugusi. Osmo Traders Limited neduka ye hardware ijwiri miyumu chukisi eko nibintu au byobwagachi asamagurinse mono nigo babwate chi computer chikobrukane chirange negwikira chiriuraganie boigo mbabwate sanitary wares echuchire chibakuli chichicho chisink nebinde binge mbabwate bintu byo gutumika gukora plumbing gusekobeke mifreji ya mache buna chipipe na boigo ni chitap mbabwate chichibot buna chiria cha chipsam na boigo MDF boigo mbabwate chitiles chiria chikwarwanse ase nyumba na chiria cha granite marbles batarire asiduka yabo ijira se nyumba ya old Sansora building angenegete siniekenene gichigari imeyumu chukisi gusoba kirisimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere eye mukianda inye isano enoti inye isano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed. Umabugani ukamel park Goko Waterna ne television ya Ndizi TV Nikigo korentera umuyigo muritomono Wawariye Wamugusi Chitariki 10 cy'umutenyo kabire umwaka uyo abanyangera banene kuvuga nkurvugusi buna man pepe sagero kurubonye konigi Rwanda umwikabo muziki mintwe kwasa international nemba target go chemeremo numubugi ubuka nigiyata kuvuga nkurvugusi bikundo untiri amanyire kimama minkara tagete MC Migi Koronyaramba omochigeto gotoka nyamira mwane manyanga Bagbago kiabageni goikache Chindagira chikikusi niko chiachi kobaroro una chinsaga enderema rinagu obukima bwobori amabera marurano amanyabwari ebusa nechindagira chindi chinyinge Bale kengero eragere mutu inyore Ibianda boigone esese Umuyigoyo